In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make phone number compulsory during checkout in Shopify phone number required in checkout. We'll do everything right inside your Shopify admin, and by the end, your checkout will require customers to provide a phone number with their shipping address. This is helpful for carriers that need to contact buyers about delivery and can reduce failed deliveries. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From the admin dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. In the Settings menu, open Checkout. Depending on your theme or admin version, this may appear as Checkout or Checkout and Accounts, but the options we need are the same. At the top of these settings, find the area that controls how customers contact you during checkout. Click the option labeled Phone Number or Email to open the choices, and select Email. Setting email as the contact method keeps the sign-in step simple, while we separately require a phone number in the shipping address. It avoids confusion between contact method and the shipping phone field you're about to enforce. Next, in the same checkout settings page, look for the full name preferences. Choose Only Require Last Name if that matches your store's preference. This setting is unrelated to the phone requirement, but sits in the same section, so it's a good time to review it. Now scroll to the Customer Information section. Find the setting called Shipping Address Phone Number. Click it to open the drop-down. You'll see options like Don't Include, Optional, and Required. Change this to Required. This ensures customers cannot complete checkout without entering a valid phone number with their shipping details. It's especially important for orders handled by carriers that rely on SMS or calls for delivery updates. Before you leave, quickly double-check that shipping address phone number shows Required. When you're happy with the configuration, click Save at the top right to apply your changes. From now on, your checkout will ask for an email as the contact method and will require a phone number specifically in the shipping address. This balances a smooth sign-in with the delivery info your carriers need. A couple of quick tips as you roll this out. Be clear in your shipping policy about why you collect phone numbers, and reassure customers you'll only use them for order and delivery updates in line with your privacy policy. Also, keep an eye on conversion after the change. If you sell digital goods or pickup-only items, you may not need the phone field to be required for those workflows. That's it. Your Shopify checkout now requires a phone number for shipping. Click Save, and you're all set.